Good morning, children. Now I am going to take comparison of adjectives for class 3. Okay. Before going to that comparison of adjectives, you have to know what is a adjective. What is an adjective, children? Adjective is a word that describes number, shape, size, sound, smell, taste of anything. Okay. So, flower. How is the flower? Red color. Red flower. So here, red describes about the flower. Yes. So, red is a adjective. Now you understood now? Yes. Sour lemon. So how is the lemon? Very sour. Sour describes about the lemon. Okay. So now, next chapter, that is 12th chapter, comparison of adjectives. So if you say red flower, okay. When two things, if you compare two things, then comparison of adjectives will come. More than two things also you will compare. Now in this chapter we are going to learn only about comparison of two things. Okay. So now the grey cat is big. Now you are explaining about the cat. Cat is how is the cat? Big. So here big is what? Adjective. Okay. The brown cat is bigger than the grey cat. So here brown cat, grey cat. Two cats are there here. You are comparing this and this. So when you are going to compare that one, you are going to add some letters to the adjectives. Big, bigger. So the brown cat is bigger than the grey cat. Here I find science difficult. So you are saying only about the science. You are not comparing to anyone, any subject, any other subject. You are saying about only science. But so I find maths more difficult than science. So now here you are comparing. So comparison of adjectives. What are the rules to be followed while writing the comparison of adjectives? So if it is big, add er for some words to compare the things. For some other words, long adjectives, if it is there, you have to add more. Long adjectives is there means you have to add more for the adjectives. So here see, big is there. So here what you did? Bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, and you have added E-R. So here doubled the letter. That the rules applies for different words. Okay. Here big is there, bigger, you have added er. In this sentence, difficult is there. It is a long adjective. So what you have to do? Add more before the adjective. So here, more difficult. Okay. So for some adjectives you have to add er, and for some other adjectives what you have to do? Add more. Here er you have to add after the word. Okay, here before the word, before the adjective you have to write more. So in a sentence, when you are going to compare and you will write bigger, more difficult, then what you have to use? Then you have to use compulsorily. Then you have to use compulsorily. Okay, so let us begin with first exercise, page number 49. Read these examples and then complete the table. One has been done for you. Here, short, shorter, sweet, sweeter. Like that, you have to add er for the adjectives and you have to write the answers. Tall, T-A-L-L-E-R. You are adding er for the adjectives. When you are going to compare two things. Small. Smaller. Okay. Clever. Clever. Cleverer. Cold. You are adding to make when for the adjectives while comparing. Okay. Cold, colder. So next remaining all homework. E to H. Okay. So next heading, page number 50. Write more before the adjectives and complete the table. So here some long adjectives is given. Difficulty is long adjective. When long adjective is there, what you have to do? You have to add more before the adjectives. Okay. So dangerous. What you have to write? More dangerous. Difficult, more difficult. Famous, more famous. Delicious, more delicious. So now you understood now? For long adjectives, what you have to do? You have to add more. Okay. So next heading number 3. So next heading 3. Complete these sentences by using adjectives of comparison and then add after the adjectives. One has been done for you. So here I am not going to do. I will show you. The red pillow is dash the blue pillow. Here in the brackets they have given which adjective you have to use in the blanks. Okay. Soft. So what you have to write? The red pillow is soft. So you are comparing two. So what you have to do? ER. Softer. Softer the blue pillow. That is wrong. So after, when you are going to compare, when you are going to use the comparative adjectives, at that time what you have to use? Than. Than you have to use. Softer than the blue pillow. The red pillow is softer than the blue pillow. Okay. So the dog Fluffy barks dash your dog Brownie. So your Fluffy dog is the name of a dog. Here Fluffy dog barks dash your dog Brownie. How? Loud. Louder than. Louder. After louder, comparison of the adjective afterwards, what you have to write? Than. Louder than. Mangoes are dash, watermelons dash. Which adjective you have to use? Sweet. So mangoes are sweeter. Sweeter. Afterwards, which word you have to write? Than. Sweeter than watermelon. Okay. So now this chapter is dash the last one. Which adjective you have to use here? Difficult. It is a long adjective. So what you have to do? More difficult. Difficult than. So if it is a long adjective, what you have to write? More you have to write before the adjective. Okay. So now the trip to the zoo was dash the trip to the museum. Which adjective you have to use? Exciting. So it is also a long adjective. What you have to write? More exciting. More exciting than. More exciting than the trip to the museum. All of you understood, children? Yes, good. Remaining all you have to do. D, E, H. That is homework. Okay.